with a drive shaft.
Okay. You can put that in the bed of the truck.
Well, what if it flies out?
It won't.
Then I have to go slow.
I got snacky. All right, up and running after several hours. All right, we got race cars still on course, 3 in the afternoon. All right, long day of racing. This guy came camp to camp looking for a welder. He's got a welder out on the trail with a buddy that's racing. He was pinning up back door. Done. What'd you do? What happened?
I made it up, but it took all the Ugga-Duggas.
All the Ugga-Duggas. So we're gonna weld up this front bumper back to the front horns here, and old Rizzle Sticks back at her again. Yeah, dog. So get this welded up so he could get back on the trail and wheeling tonight. Yes, sir.
More juice?
More, less pow. Gas on?
Gas is on.
Gas is on.
I don't think that thing's gonna handle it.
Yeah, I don't think so. All right, we had to go to a bigger generator, so let's see if she cooks better. There it is. Yep.
Got the sizzle going.
Full power. Full power, dude. Jess, what do you think about this operation?
Just your leg, doctor.
Yeah, you're the expert here.
Let's see what Riz can throw down.
Too melting.
You're holding the flashlight wrong. Hand to a dog. Trying to get that bite.
Oh, he's here?
Just welding in the dark.
How do you reset it?
The reset button?
All right, we're going around camp to see what everyone is making for dinner. What do we got tonight, Luke? What is on the menu?
Philly cheesesteaks.
Oh,
Not Benihana's.
it feels like Benihana's,
Feels like
but
Benihana's.
it's a little bit
No,
of
we're
Philly.
doing some, we're doing some classic Philly cheesesteaks.
Ooh, look at this. We got the cheese, the queso, butter, all the goods.
Oh, you totally
Oh, you missed it. All right. We saw some cooking going on over here. Oh, I see a grill burning. Let's go over here. Lucas, what is it for supper?
Tips.
Beef tips?
Beef tips.
We got to keep her PG, dude.
Heck yeah.
Look at this. What is there anything on the grill yet?
Not yet.
Can we
It's
take a
going in
gander?
right now.
Is it? All right, look at this little guy. Got the smoker chooching. All right, we got Philly cheesesteaks, beef tips. All right, what do we got over here? Oh, there's nobody manning the grill. Who's manning the grill over here?
He's in the motorhome.
He's in the motorhome. All right. What do we have for supper? What is for dinner tonight? You got burgers going?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. We got some burgers. Let's take a gander. We got the old Milwaukee Light.
Yeah, look at those patties right there.
Burgers. All right. Ooh. Burgers, beef tips, Philly cheesesteaks. Justin, what's for supper?
Jalapeno cheddar dogs, brother.
Jalapeno cheddar dogs. Cooking them on the old Coleman. That thing's going to get burned in here soon. All right. Steve-O, what's for supper?
Oh, dude, we got just pulled off the veggie stir-fry rice. I'm gonna throw some additional chicken basil brats on, but we got salmon right here. Let me get you a little light on the subject.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. Salmon
Yeah,
in
pulling it off right
with
now.
a little limon, dude.
Oh yeah.
Oh, my.
Yep.
All right, I'm coming over here for dinner.
All right.
Yes. So that's what's going down in camp. Brandon's over there, so obviously he's not cooking anything. Adam, unfortunately, took off because he's got to work. And last but not least, holy smokes. I mean, camp is just rocking, dude. We got music playing, jamming, and we have little filet mignons rocking and rolling. Yep. Give these a little toss. Got to clean the old grill, but you know, 134, about to pull them in about 1 minute. Woo. Yep, rocking.